Hello everyone, welcome to today's sessions, where we will cover the Node.js interview questions with explanations and with examples. Whether you are planning for an interview or just want to improve your Node.js skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Our first question is what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies and like Apache or PHP? Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime that runs on the V8 engine, allowing you to run JavaScript outside the browser. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like Apache and PHP, which follow a multi-threaded approach, Node.js uses a single-threaded event-driven architectures with non-blocking input by output operations. This makes it highly efficient for handling concurrent requests, making it ideal for real-time applications like chat apps and offline engines. And next question is, what is callback functions in Node.js and what are the commonly used in asynchronous programming? This is an example of that question. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function and is executed later, usually after some time, some asynchronous operation. Since Node.js is an asynchronous and non-blocking, it is used since Node.js is an asynchronous and non-blocking, it uses callbacks to handle tasks, reading files, or making API calls. This is an example. Next, what is the purpose of package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain and the key properties found in this project? This is an example of the package.json. And the package.json file is the heart of the Node.js project. It stores metadata about the project, including its dependencies, scripts, and version. Key properties are name, version, dependencies, and scripts. This helps in managing dependencies and automatic tasks using scripts. Difference between required and Node.js. Next question is, and what would we see one over the other? This is an example of requiring the express and importing the express. Require and input are both used to include external modules in Node.js applications, but they work differently using require. And synchronous works in common JS module using older Node.js projects. Next, using import asynchronous requires type of model in package.json preferred in modern ES6 plus projects. What is middleware.js? What is middleware? What is middleware in the current other stages? Can you explain? What is middleware in Express.js? Middleware functions is Express.js are functions that have access to request, response, and next middleware functions. They are used for logging, authentication, error handling. This is an example of it. Next is what is the RESTful API and how can we create one using Node.js and Express.js. Extend them by HTTP methods using RESTful APIs. This is the app.get method using APIs. Getting response to response.json and it redirect into space working on. And here it is the request and response. And we can answer right next if we need it. And next question is what is the purpose of the Node.js package manager npm and how can you see use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project. Node.js package manager is a tool for using managing JavaScript packages. Installing the packages npm install express, installing dependencies from package.json, npm removing the package npm uninstall express. Npm makes it easy to manage file dependencies and keep them up to date. What is important to hash password in web applications? Strong plain text password is a security risk. Hashing ensures that even in a tracker gains access to the database, they cannot read the original password. Example is in Byscript. We require the Byscript and use it in the password managing like hash passwords. Prevent passwords if the database is compromised. Byscript adds a salt to make password harder to crack. One-way encryption, meaning it cannot be reversible. Always hash password used before storing them in the database. Conclusion. These were some of the most common Node.js interview questions with detailed explanations and code examples. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you.